What's going on, y'all? So I don't know if you saw the last video about this truck we picked up. It's a 1971 F350 flatbed dually, and we've been looking for a little project vehicle for a while, and we picked this gem up. It's got a flatbed on it, but we're gonna pull that off. That's gonna be the first step to the restoration. We're not gonna make this a show car. We actually want to use it for the business, so we're gonna do a landscaping bed on it. So we drove to my brother's place because he's got a tractor with a lift on the front, and we just unbolted everything, and we'll show you a little bit of footage here of pulling it off. This bed's really heavy apparently, because when we pulled it off, he said it weighs way more than a round bale of hay, which is at least 1,200 pounds. So that's probably why the truck rides so good, considering that the suspension's shot on it. But we're going to pull this bed off, and we're probably going to send the truck off to get the frame removed and blasted, and we're going to replace all the bolts, the springs and shocks and everything. All bushings, everything's going to get replaced, and that'll be the next video. But until then, enjoy the footage pulling the bed off.
Oh Jesus!